So I wanted to do a quick video going over QNRX, which had a massive move the other day, and then also show one of our new features, this deals screener, which basically allows you to search our entire database of financings, like offerings, private placements, etc. And the way I use this is so with QNRX, they had this private placement here. And one of the first things I look at is who the investors are, because I like to go and check charts of stocks that these investors recently participated in and see what the performance was. So one way you can use the deals screener is if you go to, so on the deals tab, so ADAR1 is one that I'm familiar with. So I'm gonna go ahead and search this one, and then basically just start looking at the charts of these recent deals that they've been involved in. So this is QNRX. Let's look at OVID. Pretty nice run. LAI. This is another one I was in recently. See here, nice run there. UST, also a nice run. Q2. So as you can see here, this one was back over here, I believe, when it gapped up. The market tends to react positively when these guys participate in an offering. So that's one thing I'll pay attention to when I see if private placement can come out is, or really any offering where it names the investors, even these recent crypto treasuries we've seen, as I'll look and see who's involved and then what the stock's performance was after that. So that's that. This feature is currently only available to enterprise users, but we do plan to roll out a variation of it to pro users. We're also going to add a news screener, which is basically going to let you search through news, basically filter by filing type, whether it's an 8K, press release, and then other standard filters like you see here, like exchange, market cap, float. We tag all our news with I think we have 50 different categories. You'll be able to search by keywords. That's another cool feature that we have coming up soon. Another one that we have is custom insights. So basically what you see these tabs here is you can basically generate specific categories. Like one thing I like to look out for is registration rights agreements, because if a company does a private placement, they obviously haven't filed a registration rights agreement yet, but I like to see when they're supposed to be filing the registration for those shares. I also like to see if there's any restrictions on subsequent share issuances, which often happens when they do an offering or private placement. They're restricted from issuing shares for a certain period of time. But these are completely customizable. Not going to go through the whole demo now. But again, this is another feature that's currently for enterprise users, but we do plan to roll out a variation of this to pro users soon.